Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, in this video, we are going to take a look at checkout UI configuration, disable checkout component, and adding element to the checkout page. Magento uses UI component to build the checkout page, and we can customize almost every part of this page. Now, let's take a look at our checkout page. I have already added one product to the cart. Here, we are going to remove the sidebar component and we are going to add a new component at the sidebar location. Now, let's jump to our coding part. To customize the checkout page, we need to create a layout file inside our modules view frontend layout directory. So create a checkout underscore index underscore index.xml file in the layout folder. Here we are going to use a checkout.root as our reference block. Then inside the JS layout component checkout under config, we have to set our new template name, which is my first module, my module, one page. Then we have used the children argument of the checkout node to declare a new custom component. Inside our custom component, we have declared our component name, which is UI component. Then we have set the display area for our custom component. Then we have set the template name, which is my first module, my module custom block. Then to disable the sidebar, we have used the component disable argument to false. This will help to remove the sidebar from the checkout page. In this case, the sidebar component will be loaded but not rendered. Now, let's create our new template file. For that, we need to create a Vue frontend web template directory. Please note here that we have set the directory name as template, not templates. All PHTML file will be saved in a templates directory, not in the template directory. Now, create our onepage.html template file. In this file, we can see we have declared another region for our custom block. We have copied the same file from the Magento core module, which is inside Magento checkout view frontend web template one page.html file. To remove the sidebar, we can directly remove this code from the template file, but I would not recommend to do this. Instead, use a UI component to do the same. Here, we have added our custom block before the sidebar block. Now, let's create our custom block template inside the template directory. Let's copy the name that we have declared in our layout file and create a custom block.html file in frontend web template directory. In this template file, we are going to display a simple message just for the demonstration purpose. Now, all the pieces are in a proper place. Let's flush our cache and check out our changes. Here, we can see our custom message is displayed above the sidebar component. You can display any content here, like custom block or widget or sliders, which consist of different offers. This is all about customizing the checkout page. In the next video, we will try to dig more on the UI component and add an extra step in our checkout page. Please let me know your thought in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you want to know more about this topic, you can write me an email on my email ID, that is admin@asolutions.co.in. Till next time, happy coding.